We're heading now to Circuit Court Judge Aquilina. Thank you so much for being here. So can you walk us through the process as we move forward here? If Hunter Biden pleads guilty or not guilty, what do those paths look like moving forward?
Well, first of all, we need to make sure his rights remain intact. We can't have a verdict before he has the legal process, justice, right? So they will arraign him, and he'll be entitled to a preliminary examination, and then it can be bound over to the higher court, and then he will have a pretrial and a jury, all those phases. He could choose to plead, cut a deal, but I suspect this has gone on long enough where he won't, and he's entitled to a jury who's fair and impartial. If his dad was part of this, that also needs to go through the legal process and talk about impeachment if that's what they're going to do after there's an adjudication. I think sometimes we get bogged down in the end of the story before we get to the beginning and the middle. And I think that every human being deserves the right to be in court and to be treated as an individual, not because they have a famous parent. I have these kind of cases in front of me all the time, and the media is not there.
Right. And, you know, in terms of when you're talking about no special treatment and no media being present, there will be no special accommodations for Hunter Biden during this process, correct?
There shouldn't be. And if there is, that calls into question our whole justice system. He should not get any special deals because of his dad. The media should be allowed in the courtroom so everybody can see that he's receiving equal treatment to everybody else I see in my courtroom. And then let's see what happens. But we can't make these decisions without justice. And that means we don't make a decision until all the facts are in. And of course, if he's lied, he needs to be punished like everybody else.
All right. Judge Aquilina, thank you so much for joining us. And we will be back after the break with more on this breaking news.
Wake up with Adrian and Markey on Morning in America, tomorrow on News Nation.
At Consumer Cellular, we offer amazing 5G coverage, backed up by incredible customer service. But that wouldn't mean much without super low prices.
Thank you for watching. Go to newsnationnow.com to find News Nation on your television provider. And don't forget to click the red subscribe button below to get more of News Nation's fact-driven, unbiased coverage.